Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Nissan Note 2004 to 2013? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your car's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Nissan Note 2004 to 2013 protects circuits for cabin and body electrical systems, including the power outlets, central locking and door lock controls, interior lighting and instrument panel illumination, power windows and safety systems like the SRS airbags. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the Nissan Note 2004 to 2013 protects core systems including the engine management, fuel pump, ignition, cooling fan, headlights and other lighting, horn and key safety lighting functions, ensuring the car's powertrain and essential electrical systems run smoothly. In the Nissan Note 2004 to 2013, the additional fuse boxes handle secondary and auxiliary circuits such as the horn, body electronics supply, navigation, CVT control power, fog lamp circuit, and fan cooling, giving extra circuit protection beyond the main relay boxes. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.